Welcome back to Christmas Projects, and this is going to be the first video filmed in 2025, so it's not really a channel update, but it is sort of. So it seems I've not really done an update on the Corrado TDI for a while, which I have been using as a daily driver, and it hasn't been without its problems. So anyone that's not familiar with the project, it's basically a 130 PD that's been retrofitted, a later style ABS with ESP. Obviously I went through function tests, just making sure everything was working, so I can do that with the Rostec VCDS. I've done some heavy braking in the rain, ABS kicks in, stops the vehicle, but I've never been able to function test ESP properly. The last weekend, with it being cold, frosty and icy, and we were messing around with the ESP and ABS, there was a little bit of a hill and I tried to accelerate up the hill. I had ESP flashing, I had the vehicle stuck at 1,000 RPM, it felt like it was going nowhere, and I was in gear. I was thinking, have I broken one of these homemade drive shafts or what? Because it just wasn't moving. And as it turns out, it was actually the wheels were spinning, it was locking and unlocking the wheels, just keeping the engine RPM at a steady 1,000. And do you know what, it got me up that little bit of a hill without too much drama. So apparently, looking at how many cars are left on the Roadcom, so last time I checked, there was only 16 of these actually on the road from an 89 chassis. That's taxed and tested, I presume that's what it is. This one being a modified one, so you get a lot of thumbs up, a lot of confused looks of trying to work out what it is, trying to work out whether someone's painted a DeLorean white. I have been asked that. A lot of that's a nice Scirocco, mate. Do you know what, I'm one of these Corrado owners that don't mind. Technically it is a Mark III Scirocco. So miles per gallon is always one thing that's on there, because the turbo is sort of stuck. I need to sort that out. It's producing 0.7, 0.8 bar above boost, so it's running below boost. So what's it like living with a Corrado TDI? So generally, cruising through the snow last weekend, it's actually quite a nice drive, quite pleasant, predictable. It's not the worst than taking a classic car out in the snow. Nice, but do you know what, she behaved herself. I'm averaging about 48 to 49 miles per gallon, and that's on full tanks, pretty much the same journey every day with very little variation to it. So it's really nice to live with, to be honest. I'm still planning to get it around the 70 miles per gallon, but so I'll sit down, edit up this video, and we're soon going to get back on the van. I've still got, the van is a very interesting story, but I've also got a caddy conversion to get me way through. So feel free to share, like, and subscribe. It's probably about 97% of people that watch my videos on the channel as a whole do not subscribe. So if you're not a subscriber, which I'm guessing a lot of you are, at least give it a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next one.